This is BB Venture Art. I'm here to train you on how to use your boning to design headband, fascinator. You can call it ring. Some people call it ring, some people call it boning. This is my boning. I have 3 years of boning, which I'm going to use to design headband. To use this boning, you cannot use it plain, ordinary like this. You need your bias that you are going to use to cover the body of the boning. Then we need our accessories to design it. You can use your feathers, you can use any accessory that is available for you. Then I have my rose. Look at this rose. I make it myself and it's in the market. It's in Lagos, Idumata market. It's in mainland. It's all over the market now. You can buy it. It's useful to use my Alice band. You can use your base, your fascinator base, to place it on. Look at this boning. You can twist it the way you want. The first thing we are going to do is to wrap it. We're going to wrap the boning with our bias. You take your ugom, put your ugom, the body of the ring or boning, then you wrap it. I'm going to wrap all the 3 years. This is how to wrap your boning or your ring. Look at it. I'm going to turn it. You can use it to create any design that you want. You can see it. As you are turning it, it will form. You can see what I use it to form. Then the next thing is to take your wax candle gum all the joining. After you have used your wax candle to hold it down, hold all the joining together, then you can take your needle and thread together with the thread so that it will not lose back, just to secure it. You can see it. As you hold it, everything will stand. And take your base or your Alice band. This Alice band. What I mean by base is, place it on your fascinator. Take your fascinator, or take, if you want to use it for your headband, take the Alice band and with your wax candle on the Alice band, and place this on top of it. You can see it. Another thing you can do to make it stand, get your bias, you put your wax candle at the back like this. Is to hold the ring on the top of the Alice band. Then you can cut the remaining out. You can see it. There's it. Then take your rose, place it here. You can use small one. You can use small one. You can use big one. Place. You can see it. Then here. You can see it. Look at it. I'm going to coil the mouth with your scissors. You can see it. I use it to file the mouth. Please like and subscribe. This